Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X100 and let me show you how to close all running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply tap on this dot, and as you can see here we've got the section where we can see all previously opened apps. And if you want to close only one of it, nothing easier, simply click on this X icon and as you can see it disappeared. If you want to clear all of them, simply click on clear all. Let's get back, and as you can see here we've got no recent items, so it means that we've closed all previously opened apps. So that's all. This is how to close running apps in your DOOGEE X100. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.